This is an example of a discount problem, for instance, like a sale. So here we have a 22% discount on merchandise, and a patron will pay a total amount of $150.54 before taxes. Now, this is after the 22% discount has already been taken off. So the question is asking how much would they pay without the discount? In other words, what was the original cost? Now, before we start tackling this problem, what we need to do is look at what does it really mean to be a 22% discount. So if we go back to like 8th grade math, to do 22% discount, you're going to change the percent into a decimal. You're going to multiply it by the cost of the item. Well, here the cost of the item, we don't know what the original one is, so we're going to call it X. So probably best to be, say, in the very beginning, X is equal to original cost. And it's always best to label these kind of variables because by the end you're going to forget what the heck X represents to begin with. So X in this case is literally just the original cost of this merchandise. So if you're going to get a 22% discount, you do 22% of the original cost and you take this away from the original cost. So this would be the cost of the item after the 22% discount, and this is directly equal to $150.54, our discounted price. So it just becomes a nice little algebraic equation. The nice thing over here is this is 22% off. When you do this operation of subtraction, it becomes a percent of. So there's a 1 in front of the x, identity property, and 1 minus 0.22 is 0.78. So we'll get 0.78x is equal to 150.54. And now we've changed a 22% off to 78% of the cost of the item. All right, and then we can just solve for x, divide both sides by 0.78. Do a little calculation. Let's see here, 150.54 divided by 0.78. For a grand total of $193. So our original cost, X, is $193. So without this discount of 22%, the patron would have to pay $193.